Have you ever heard about Japan's oldest doctor? He's 82 years young and most importantly, he doesn't have any clogged arteries. Now he attributes this to his special diet that has enabled him to remain artery clean throughout his life. But what exactly is this diet? Well, in today's video, we're going to be sharing with you the 5 best foods that will instantly clean your arteries according to this 82-year-old Japanese doctor. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. The first food is salmon. The arteries of people who eat a lot of salmon are up to 90% less likely to become clogged compared to those who do not consume much salmon. A study conducted at the Harvard Medical School actually concluded that eating salmon can help you lower your risk of heart disease by up to 43%. But why is this the case? Well, as it turns out, salmon contains something called EPA, or eicosapentaenoic acid. This fatty acid is one of the main active ingredients in salmon that's able to reduce inflammation in your arteries, which then lowers the chances of developing atherosclerosis, or clogged arteries. This anti-inflammatory effect of EPA has been scientifically proven in numerous studies. For instance, one study found that taking EPA supplements for over a year resulted in a 51% reduction in plaque buildup in participants' arteries. Another study showed that EPA can also improve blood flow by up to 40%. And if that wasn't enough, salmon is also rich in vitamin D, which has been shown to relax blood vessels and promote healthy cholesterol levels. Just make sure to avoid farmed salmon as much as possible and go for wild-caught instead. Farmed salmon are often fed unhealthy grains and have much higher levels of omega-6 fatty acids, which can be inflammatory and potentially harmful to your arteries. So next time you're looking for a delicious and nutritious meal, why not try some fresh cooked salmon? It's not only an excellent source of protein, but also packed with heart-healthy fats and vitamins that can keep your arteries clean and your heart strong. The second food on our list is broccoli. Broccoli has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 18%, which is why it should definitely be included in your daily diet. But how does it manage to do this? Well, it's all thanks to its high concentration of sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a natural compound found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli that's been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation in your arteries, broccoli helps prevent the buildup of plaque, which is the main cause of clogged arteries. Studies have also found that broccoli is effective at lowering blood pressure and improving overall cardiovascular health. For example, one study found that eating broccoli sprouts, which are particularly high in sulforaphane, can reduce blood pressure by up to 14%. Another study showed that eating broccoli regularly can reduce the risk of stroke by up to 20%. There's no doubt that broccoli is a true superfood when it comes to keeping your arteries clean and your heart healthy. So make sure to include plenty of this versatile vegetable in your diet. Whether you prefer it raw, steamed, or roasted, broccoli is a delicious and easy way to get your daily dose of artery-cleansing nutrients. The third food that we need to talk about is extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is not just a tasty addition to your Mediterranean diet, but also a powerful tool for keeping your arteries clean. The oil extracted from these olives is rich in a type of fat called monounsaturated fat, which has been shown to reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol, ultimately leading to cleaner arteries. In fact, studies have found that replacing saturated fats, such as those found in butter and red meat, with monounsaturated fats, such as those found in olive oil, can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil contains antioxidants, polyphenols, and other compounds that can help reduce inflammation in your arteries and prevent plaque buildup. For example, one study found that people who consumed more olive oil had up to a 40% lower risk of developing heart disease than those who consumed less. Another study showed that olive oil can help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. Not only is extra virgin olive oil good for your arteries, but it's also versatile enough to be used in a wide variety of dishes. From salads to soups to grilled meats, there are endless ways to incorporate this healthy oil into your diet. And the best part is that it's relatively low in calories, making it a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. So if you're looking for a delicious and easy way to keep your arteries clean and your heart healthy, look no further than extra virgin olive oil. The fourth food that we need to mention is walnuts. Walnuts are not only delicious and convenient snacks, but also packed with nutrients that can help keep your arteries clean. These little powerhouses are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in your arteries and lower the risk of plaque buildup. In fact, studies have found that eating a handful of walnuts every day can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 25%. Additionally, walnuts contain antioxidants that can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, both of which are important for maintaining healthy arteries. One study found that eating walnuts regularly can reduce the risk of stroke by up to 24%. Another study showed that walnuts can help lower blood sugar levels, which is important for those with diabetes or at risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Not only are walnuts a great source of heart-healthy fats and nutrients, but they're also incredibly convenient. You can enjoy them on their own as a snack, add them to salads or smoothies, or use them to top your favorite dishes. Plus, walnuts are a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes, from sweet to savory. So if you're looking for a delicious and easy way to keep your arteries clean and your heart healthy, why not try adding some walnuts to your diet? And finally, the fifth food that we need to discuss is dark chocolate. Yes, you heard us right. Dark chocolate. While most types of chocolate are loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, dark chocolate is a different story. With a cocoa content of 70% or higher, dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that have been shown to reduce inflammation in your arteries and improve blood flow. In fact, studies have found that eating dark chocolate regularly can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 19%. Additionally, dark chocolate can help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. One study found that eating dark chocolate can reduce the risk of stroke by up to 22%. Another study showed that dark chocolate can help lower blood sugar levels, which is important for those with diabetes or at risk of cardiovascular disease. When it comes to choosing dark chocolate, it's important to read the label and make sure that you're getting the real deal with at least 70 cocoa. Avoid any added sugars or unhealthy fats, as these can negate the health benefits of dark chocolate. So if you're looking for a delicious and unexpected way to keep your arteries clean and your heart healthy, why not try adding some dark chocolate to your diet? Just be sure to enjoy it in moderation, as too much dark chocolate can also lead to weight gain and other health problems. All right, friends, now we want to hear from you. Which of these 5 foods are you most excited to add to your diet after learning about their incredible benefits for your arteries? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're already incorporating any of these foods into your daily routine, share your experiences and any positive effects you've noticed. We appreciate your engagement and value your input. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos on holistic health and wellness.